Hey. Hi, it's Christine from the Simple Life of CC. If you could please subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. I'm trying to build up my clientele. Got a new format here. Got my new stand to put my camera on, so loving it. Thanks, Joe. Let's just go through my CVS haul here. This was round number 1. I will probably do another one. I got so much money back here. This isn't my original plan that I was going to do. I was going to do a laundry soap deal. But let's just start out here. So I had, what did I have here? Sorry guys. Okay, gotta collect my thoughts. Okay, this was my form here. And I have from last time, when I spend $50, I get $10 off. So I am using that, so I'm gonna try to get to $50 here pre-coupon. So whatever the sale prices are, and then you minus all your coupons and CRTs, that helps bring your out-of-pocket down. I also had $23 in ECBs, which are the cash rewards, the extra buck rewards that you get for buying certain things when they give you money back. So I had $23 in those from last time. So let's start out with the Kotex Super Deal. These are the Barely There panty liners. There are 18 of them, and right now they're on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy one, you get $2 back. They are $1.79 each, so $1.79 for one, 50% off for the other. On my CVS card, I had saved $2 on any tampons, pads, or liners. So this came to $2.68 for the buy one, get one 50% off. Had the $2 CRT, so that came to 68 cents, guys. That's a super deal for 2 of these. Can always use them or give them away. So that was the final, and then I got $2 back for purchasing these as well. So that is 32 cents each for that. The Irish Spring deal here and the soft soap. That deal was when you buy 4, you get $5 back. And they're on sale for $10. So think about that. That's 50% off right there. If you're spending 10, you get 5 back. Now you want to find some coupons to bring that down even lower. So I didn't have a lot of coupons. I had $1 off on my card that I clipped. Also, I did have, no, that wasn't it. But still a good deal. I needed bar soap. We were running low. I do have a lot of body wash, but it's nice to have the bar soap. And the soft soap, we always use this, so good stock up price here. So I bought 2 of each. Came to $10 for all 4. Had $1 off. Got 5 back. So got all this basically for $3 to $4. Sorry. Just trying to do my math here. Got it all written down, so I'm reading this here. And then we have the Oral-B deal. These are the 2-pack indicator. They're $5.49 each, and they have a deal. When you buy one, you get $3 back. So that's a great deal. They're $5.49, and then the Colgate deal was, if you spend $10 in the Colgate SF, you get $5 back, so that's half price. What makes the deal even better is when you spend, or actually this all came up to $20, so I was still trying to hit my 50 with all these to get the 10 off. On my card, on my CVS card, I had $5 off 3 that I clipped to my card in the toothpaste, and when you spent $12 in oral care, you got $3 off as well. However, it did not come off at checkout, so I paid a little bit more than I expected. And I have a call into customer service. It takes like 2 days for the receipt to show up in their system where they can look at it. I did call them and tell them I had $8 that didn't come off my card that should have, so I should be getting $8 back as well from this haul. So I'll show you that. And then the Aleve is a super deal here. That is spend $20, get $10 back. So again, that's half price, 50% off. So even if you did that alone and didn't have any coupons, this is the way to go. But in the Sunday paper today, they had a $4 off one Aleve. And I also had a $2 CRT Aleve that I clipped to my card. So I had $6 come off of that. I got the 100 count, which was $11.99, and then the 50 count, which was $8.29. So that got to my $20. I paid $14 at checkout and then got $10 back. So each of these were $2. Super deal. So $4 for a lot of Aleve. My husband says, you can never have enough Aleve. And I said, yes, you can if you're a couponer. We have a lot of Aleve we haven't used up yet. So just watch the expiration dates. Try to rotate your stock and use whatever first as you need. So, and also nice gifts if you know, or take to work if people are struggling. So this was my haul. My receipt is here. I don't know if you can see it, but you might want to zoom in. I paid $13 at checkout cash out of my own pocket. There should have been $5, and again, it's because the $8 didn't come off for the toothbrushes and the toothpaste. So technically, it would have been $5. So I should be getting $8 back yet. But it shows all my $23 in ECBs that I used. $2 off feminine cares on here. $10 off when you spend $50. Aleve. So I had 13 items for $13, so basically that brings it down to $1 each if you want to do it that way until I get my money back. But I got $28 back, guys, in ECBs to use for next time or to roll. And I might roll items into my next purchase here, so I might go back yet today. A lot of these deals are only on Sunday, so I might do that again, but these are my deals here. So I got the $5 back, and that's for the Colgate total. I'm trying to read this backwards. $10 back for Aleve, $2 back for the purchasing 2 select products, $6 back for the 4 packs, and then $5 back for the soft soap and Irish Spring. And then also I got, when I spend $50 off, I got another $10 one. So I'm going to use that. Again, I want to, find things that'll bring me